The Twisted techs, they touch every single nut and bolt. They're so passionate about what they do. Some of our bigger builds can be sort of 450 ramp hours, and there'll be another additional 200, 300 paint hours as well. Full custom build. The first process is getting it to ramp and having the inspection. It's strip out the interior, down to the paint shop, and then they'll start taking the body panels off, and all the body panels will be prepped. And then the vehicle, the chassis, comes back up to us at the workshop, and we start doing all of the driveline upgrades. So we take out the original engine, we remove the original driveline, and we get right into the chassis. And then we then mount the new painted body panels with the freshly modified driveline, and then thereafter, once that's built up, we can start the rest of the conversion, the engine wiring and all of the interior. Andy's a prime example. He had a TD5 on his ramp for quite a while, and he even shed a little tear when the TD5 left him for the customer, but he was so proud of it. There's definitely excitement, but I would say they're a little bit anxious as well. I think, you know, getting to that final stage, everyone wants to be there, but at the same time, they just want it to be perfect, so they really care about final handover.